In this video, I'm going to talk with you about this season's top 5 snowboards. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome! I'm Amanda and I'm a part of the Adventure Junkies team. We're a really cool company that helps people like you to get outdoors. If you want to learn more, you can check out our website. Go to www.theadventurejunkies.com. Now, let's move on to what you guys really tuned in for, our top 5 snowboard picks. Our first pick is our top overall snowboard, the Burton Custom Flying V. For those of you looking for a do-it-all board that you'll enjoy just as much as you will as a beginner, as you will after years of snowboarding once you're a total expert, look to the fabulous Flying V. Burton is one of the premier snowboarding manufacturers in the game and continues to impress with this season's selection. The Flying V serves as one of the top all-mountain boards in their lineup. It features a rocker profile with just a tad of camber under each foot. Burton integrated a layer of carbon into the poppy wood core and constructed it with a medium flex. What I like most about the Flying V is how easy it is to ride, regardless of your experience level. What I don't care for so much about this one is that it doesn't excel at carving turns as much as some of the other options on this list. I hope you're enjoying this video so far, whether you're a terrain park ninja or you enjoy tearing up the backcountry. But before we present our second product, I do have a small favor to ask. It only takes a second, and you can do it right now while you're watching this. Simply hit the like button below. We're a small team with big dreams here at the Adventure Junkies, and every one of your likes makes a big difference. More importantly, your engagement is going to help us reach other people who might be interested in this kind of content as well. So thanks in advance, and thanks as always for watching. Our second snowboard is our best choice for those of you who might be on a tighter budget, the Arbor Element Camber. In the category of quality all-mountain boards that cost under $500, this one really dominates. Arbor designed the Element with a medium flex and a cambered profile. Its soft feel makes it an ideal choice for all riders, regardless of your experience level. It boasts a great edge for a budget board and lovely carving capacity too. What I like most about this snowboard is the nice poppy feel that it has to it. What I don't care for so much about the Element is that it doesn't perform well in powder conditions, which does limit its overall versatility. Our third selection is the best freestyle board, the Yes Basic. But despite its misleading name, there's nothing basic about this one. If you stick mainly to groomers and park terrain, the Basic is actually about as good as it gets, especially for its affordable $400 price. This board features a rocker profile in the tip and the tail with camber underfoot, which does make for quite an ice and hard pack machine. Its true twin shape is what most contributes to its excellent park performance capacity. What I like most about this one is just how much fun it is to ride, especially through the park. What I don't care for about the Basic is that it does tend to get a bit chattery at faster speeds. The fourth snowboard on our list is the best choice for tackling those fresh POW conditions, the Ride Warpig. When those powder days demand a board that just surfs across the surface, the Warpig is sure to answer your needs. Ride integrated its latest Slimwall technology into this board, which improves its energy transfer while lightening its overall weight. This directionally shaped board features a medium flex and a shorter than usual length. Whether you're looking for a board that can do it all or a powder day piece, Ride's Warpig won't disappoint. What I like most about this board is how agile it is, which came as a bit of a shock given its fatter profile. What I don't care for so much about this one is that it's challenging to ride for beginners, and even some intermediate riders as well. Our final snowboard selection is the best choice for beginners, the Yes Typo. A stiffer version of the freestyle choice we reviewed above, the Typo is designed to perform better on hardpack and is better suited to beginner riders. The Typo offers a setback stance, which makes for a well-rounded positions, really ideal for beginners. As opposed to the park-centric design of the Basic, the Typo was crafted as a true all-mountain performer. The board features a medium flex and a directional twin shape that allows for equally good performance on groomers and moguls alike. What I like most about the Typo is how well it carves in edges. What I don't care for about this one so much is how poorly it performs in fresh powder, especially compared to many alternatives on this list. If you want to check out any of these snowboards for yourself, be sure to look for the links included in the product descriptions below. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're confused about what gear to bring hiking, or maybe you've wasted money on gear in the past that just wasn't right for you, you definitely need to get a copy of this book. It's called The Beginner's Guide to Hiking Gear, and we created it with the total beginner in mind. You will learn what gear you actually need so you can safely enjoy your time outdoors. It covers all that you need to know, from how to choose each item to specific product recommendations, depending on your gender, budget, place you plan on going hiking, and more. You can buy it on Amazon, and it's available in both Kindle and paperback versions. Check out the link in the description below. Happy hiking!